continuing with 7th class mathematics, new chapter, 8th chapter, congruency of triangles. So what is the meaning of congruency? Congruent figures means the figures which are in same shape and size. So when their sizes are same, shapes are same, then they are called congruent. Means when they keep one upon the other, exactly they should coincide. All the edges should coincide with each other. Those are called as congruent figures. Congruent triangles means what? In triangles, if the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal, then they are congruent. So let us take examples for the first one, and this is first point, this is second point. So here, what is the example that you can take? Suppose you have taken a figure in this way. The same figure which has got the same shape and size. Here these two are not same shape and size, means you should have, they should appear as same. So you can see this kind of figures which are same shape and size, they are called congruent. So congruent symbol is this. Now when you are talking about triangles, suppose I am talking about ABC as one triangle and PQR is another triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if AB is equal to PQ, these two are corresponding sides. This side figure, the line segments there, they are corresponding, and AC is equal to PR. AC is equal to PR, BC is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR, and what else? Angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So congruent figures means what, children? Their corresponding sides should be same as well as their corresponding angles are same. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. This kind of mentioning we call them as congruent triangles. Congruent figures means you will be having figures which are having the same measures. So you can take another example. This is one more example. Here what is happening? The measures are same. If you keep one upon the other, you are going to get them as totally same. That kind of figures are called congruent figures. These are congruent figures. The meaning of congruent figures and the meaning of congruent triangles of this children. Please note it down. Now children, when you do these sums that are given in your textbook, The first one is, here are some shapes. See whether all the shapes given in row are congruent to each other or not. You can trace them. The thing is, you can trace the figures and check. This is actually, you have to draw trace. You have to trace each one, and one upon the other. If you keep, you will be getting the same thing. Actually, all these three figures are same congruent figures, children. But only the thing is, they have given at different directions the same measures. So it appears for us as if they are little bit different, but they are not like that. If you take a trace paper and trace one figure, and the same one, if you keep the other sides also, you will be, other figures also, you will be getting the same measure. Means that will overlap, your trace will overlap the figure given to you. So all these are congruent figures only. And second one, which of the following pair of figures are congruent? See, I have tried my level best to draw the figures, children. The first one, they are congruent. So let me draw, because they are of same size and shape. But these are not congruent because one is big, one is small. Here, these two are congruent. So let me draw congruent figure because these two are same. These are not same because one is small, one is big. Here also, these are not congruent because one is big, one is small. Here also, these are not congruent because one is big and one is small. So in this way, by seeing the size, you can say whether they are congruent or not, children. Please note it down. Now, the next part, congruency of line segments. Congruency of line segments. What is the meaning of it? That means if you have two line segments, suppose you have got a line segment AB, which is 5 centimeters, and another line segment PQ, which is 3 centimeters, and you have another line segment XY, which is 5 centimeters. So in this, what you can take, we can say that AB line segment is congruent to XY line segment because they are having same measure, and AB is not congruent to PQ because they are not having the same measure. Now, we have congruency of triangle. Already I have told you, children, how it has to be done. We have do these sums. Let me do this sums. Just copy it. Next, I will go to do this sums. In do this, the first one, triangle EFG is congruent to triangle LMN. How they have given? See, this is one triangle they have given, EFG, and another triangle is given in this way. This is LMN. And what is given to you? These two triangles are congruent. Then you have to write the corresponding vertices, corresponding angles, and corresponding sides, and the sides of the two triangles. So first we will be talking about corresponding vertices. Corresponding, they are asking about corresponding. First, they asked about vertices. What are vertices, children? Vertex is singular, vertices are plural. So, in this case, see, this figure is tilted. Since they said that they are congruent, definitely we have to take EFG as LMN. So, for E, what is the corresponding vertices? E and L is one set, and second one F and M vertex, and third one E and G and G and N. These are the vertices. Second one, corresponding vertices, corresponding angles. Angles, as you said, vertices. Angle E is equal to angle L, and angle F is equal to angle M, and third bit angle G is equal to angle N. And the third one is you have to go for the sides, corresponding sides. Corresponding sides EF, side EF is equal to LM, and first one, and second one EF is equal to LM, FG is equal to MN, and third one EG is equal to NL. So these are the corresponding sides, vertices, corresponding angles, and corresponding sides of this figure. First one, children, please note it down. Corresponding means actually the same side you have to take, but in this they have tilted the figure. So basing on the vertices you can identify E, F, G, L, M, N. In that way you can find it out. Okay, children. So E, F, L, M, F, G, M, N. Like that we can take this corresponding sides, children. Now copy it. Now let us see second problem. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, write the parts of ABC, triangle ABC, parts of triangle ABC that correspond to first one DE, and second one angle E, and third one DF, and fourth one EF, fifth one angle F. So their corresponding sides we have to do. So let us first draw the triangle ABC and ABC DEF. What did they say? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So first he has given the measure of DE. DE is this side of triangle DEF. Then this will be equal to AB. So the first bit we have completed. And second one angle E, for triangle DEF angle E. Then for the triangle ABC it is angle B. And third bit. Third bit for triangle DEF, DF. DF means here you will be having AC in triangle ABC. And fourth one, he is talking about EF. EF of triangle DEF. That is nothing but BC of triangle ABC. And fifth bit, angle F of triangle ABC, DEF. It should be equal to angle C of triangle ABC. Corresponding means this side is equal to this side is equal to this base is equal to this base. Angles, these two are corresponding, these two are corresponding, these two are corresponding. So I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. Now, let us see third problem. Name congruent triangles. Name the congruent triangles in each of the following pairs. So first one, you have got a figure K R J K. These two, here 1, here 3. And you have got another triangle given here. S T U. So these are two, these are having same symbols, means these two are equal. And these are having same symbols, these two are equal. And these are having same symbols, these two are equal. And then you see here one line, that means these two angles are equal. Here 2, that means these two are equal. Here here you have 3. And here you have 2. Okay, now you have to find out, name the congruent triangles in each pair. Now this is the first bit. In triangle RJK and triangle STU, in these two, what you can say, RJ is equal to SU and JK is equal to UT and ST is equal to RK. Apart from this, angle K is equal to angle T, angle J is equal to angle U, angle R is equal to angle S. Therefore, what you can say, corresponding sides are equal, corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, triangle RJK is congruent to triangle STU. This is what they asked you to say, children. So, the next one, you have got another figure, second figure. You have got a triangle in this way and another triangle like this. F, this is E I B C. These two sides are equal. These two are equal. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. here 3 are there lines, and here 2 lines are there. So we have got in triangle ECI and in triangle EPI. In these two triangles, EC is equal to EB. Why? Single line is drawn. B EC, no, that means the triangle we are talking about. IC is equal to BI, and EI is equal to EI. Why? Because these are common sides. Apart from this, angle BE, first we are talking about ECI, this triangle. No? Angle CEI is equal to angle BEI, and angle EIC is equal to angle EIB, and angle ECI is equal to angle EBI. Therefore, triangle ECI is congruent to triangle EBI. This you could prove here, children. Please note it down. Next. Fourth one. Name the congruent angles and sides. Angles and sides for each pair of congruent triangles. Congruent triangles. So, first bit, triangle TUV is congruent to triangle XYZ. So, let us draw the triangles. Triangle TUV XYZ. Now we want to name congruent, first one, angles. What are congruent angles? The vertical angles, angle T is equal to angle X, angle U is equal to angle Y, angle V is equal to angle Z. And then second one, sides. What are the sides? TU is equal to XY, UV is equal to YZ, TB is equal to XZ. Congruent angles and congruent sides for this triangle, children. And the next one is asking triangle CDG is congruent to triangle RSW. So, let me draw two triangles CDG or SW. For this, congruent, first one, angles. Congruent angles. Congruent angles are what? Angle C is equal to angle R, angle D is equal to angle S, angle G is equal to angle W. This is G. Next, we talk about sides. CD is equal to RS, DG is equal to SW, CG is equal to RW. These are all possible because they said that these triangles are congruent. If they are not congruent, you cannot say so, children. So, congruent figures means what you are able to follow? All the congruent figures are those which are having same shape and size if they are of different shapes, or if they have a particular shape, we can call them as same corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. So please note it down, children.